Hey, good morning. EagleSong Gardener here. I'm at RavenCroft Garden in the garden today, and I am harvesting the seed of this amazing hollyhock. This hollyhock has been in my garden for the last 25 years, and we've never sown it after it was initially planted. And today I'm harvesting the seed, which actually, if we look at this, we'll just watch how the seed progresses. These are called cheeses. This is an edible part. If you're foraging, you can open up the seed packet on this plant. Let's take it right off this plant. So we have, here I'm going to cut it off. It's very attached to quite well. All right, so if we open this up, the hollyhock is a really great foraging plant. You can eat the leaves, the young leaves here down at the base of the plant are really nice still in salads. These cheeses are a bit, they have texture. You bite into them, and these are just the seeds all in alignment inside this seed capsule. It's really quite a good packaging, don't you think? So today we're looking forward to getting, well, actually harvesting the dry seeds, and it's a lucky day because that is the last flower that you got to see early on. So let's just take a look at these last seeds. So this is how the hollyhock seeds come out when they're dry, fully dry. It's a great sunny day. It's near the end of August, and harvesting the seed today, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can take off the whole, and see the seeds fall right off of there. You can cut the whole seed heads and just put them into a brown paper bag like this. The bag allows any that aren't dry will still be able to continue drying. We're of course planting many more. And then you can really get a lot of seed harvested using this method. Whoop. Really quick. Get them in there. You know, it's the end of August. There's tomatoes on the counter that want to get put in the freezer or get canned, and there's pears that are ripening, and just a lot of things going on right now. And so taking your seeds and putting them into a safe place until you can get to them later when those cold winter days come. It's dark in the evening. You can listen to your favorite podcast and clean your seeds. So why this plant and what makes it so special that I want to keep perpetuating the growth of it? It's called a fig leaf. Let's see if I can get all this right. It's a Siberian fig leaf perennial. That's what makes this hollyhock so special. It's a perennial hollyhock, and we never plant them. They just jump up wherever they want to. The seeds kind of stick on your feet. You walk around and you'll find them in the garden, all different places. I like that. I like the spontaneity of nature. Hey, raven up there. The spontaneity of nature when we are allowing her to plant herself and to move through the garden sort of at will. We can take them out or move them, shepherd them to places that we want or don't want. So Siberian fig leaf, single hollyhock, perennial. Great plant. Hope you enjoy it in your garden. If you'd like seeds, send me a self-addressed stamped envelope and $5, and I'll send you a packet of seed that you can start these in your garden. Again, I've never planted them after 25 years of growing, once I planted the first hollyhock. So EagleSong Gardener signing off from RavenCroft Garden. Hey, we'll see you down the road.